So I just want to show you guys from my back. It's all the snows. So this is it. Yeah, it's almost all melted now. So yeah, but they're just saying because of the wet ground, if it gets cooler, it might become slicky again. But let's hope not. Okay. They melted. Ugh, they all. This to be $24 for a beanie. Okay. Calvin Klein. This is $16. It's so shiny. That's everything. I always come and check here out. You never know what you'll find. You never know. See, somebody took whatever was inside. Because I heard it's expensive. It's empty. But no. This is $5.99. So natural hyaluronic acid. I got collagen powder. Yes. I empty the stores. I'm just gonna run and go and get my groceries because girl cannot afford on the chair. They melted. Ugh, they all melted. So but oldie. So I'll see you guys in there. If I remember to film, but Tajay. So I'll see you guys in Aldi. Tajay. These are for young people, party dresses. This is beautiful though. Velvet. Let me bring it closer so you can see it. Wow. $15. Target is a ghost town today. It's like, this is so eerie. COVID is out again to claim. Look, there's barely anybody there. That is weird. Wow. Empty. Not a soul. Not a soul in Target. Concealer. More like my color, right? I'm not sure which one to take. See what I was telling you guys? These are the eye brushes. These are the eye brushes from ELF. Up to this area is eye brushes. And these are the face brushes. This is the flat brush I was telling you about that I use for concealer. Yeah, see, it's called correctors. These are correctors. That's when you have scar or marks. Concealer, this will be my skin to conceal. Awesome. Nick Sleep lingerie. These are wonderful. Like don't sleep on these, guys. Do not sleep on. Roll under your eyes. Facial roller. It's beautiful. Like I've never seen Target this empty ever. Alright, this register is closed, so I'm gonna have to go to self-check out.